Hey guys, welcome back. This is the second part of a video. Last video we talked about put credit spreads. In this video we're going to be talking about call credit spreads. So for call credit spreads, you have a bullish opinion outlook for the stock. So in this example we're using SPY. SPY is currently trading at $467.60, 66. You get the drill. It keeps fluctuating. So let's pick an expiration date. Let's do the 18th, which is a Tuesday of next week. Okay, so we're gonna find something safe. So 467, we can go $4 out, so we can do 49, 69, 70, 71, 72, so $4. So we click sell on a leg, and then above the sell leg we click buy, and we created a call credit spread. If Robinhood tells you what you made, if it says something different, you did something wrong and you have to restart it. Make sure you're doing it this right. You make sure it says call credit spread. If it doesn't say that, make sure it's right. So again, you have to buy a leg on the strike price you want. You buy the leg and then you sell one under, or the other way around. You sell a leg and you buy one over it. Same thing, just different, the difference of doing one first before the other. So right here it says that we're getting $25 credit for doing this call credit spread. We get this credit instantly. We can do whatever. We can withdraw and buy food. We can buy stocks with it, or we can just hold on to it in our buying power. And when we continue, it says the number. We have to click one contract, then we fill it in. Usually you want to do something between 23 and 26, what it says right here. And if it doesn't fill you, you wait a little. If it still doesn't fill you, just go down $1 until it fills you, because you don't want to do something where you go down $5 and then it executes you immediately, because you would be losing $5 of profit. So yeah, when you do that, it executes, and then Robinhood tells you your expected profit and loss. Right here, your windows, new features they added so people can understand what they're doing when they're buying options and contracts and such. But yeah, so pretty much by Tuesday the 18th, if SPY is below your strike price, you keep your collateral, you keep the credit. No matter what, you always keep the credit. That's just something that happens when you do credit spread. That's why people like them. You just immediately keep the credit, but if SPY goes above your strike price, you lose the collateral because it went above the strike price. But if SPY says below, just do it right here. Let's say next week, SPY on Tuesday, 3:59, 4 p.m. It ends at $470. You kept your collateral and you just made $25, which is 1/4 of the price for these contracts. For SPY, it's $100 per leg, since they're right next to each other, because it's $1 intervals. So if I were to do, let's just say this, that's $44, right? And I move the strike price higher, but that means SPY can't move above 472. So if it stays at 471 expiration day on Tuesday, now I would be making $45 as it keeps moving, because the prices are currently moving. So yeah, but instead of $100, the price is now $200 for this contract. So if I can execute, it says $200 collateral, and that's because you have $1 difference in the leg. So you have 472, 473, and then to 474. So from 473 to 474, that's $200. As you multiply times 100, 1 times 2 is 2, times 100 is 200. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, hopefully this video, you people can understand it, you guys. And yeah, I just made this video to educate people in how to do credit spreads. Don't make the mistake of having really close expirations like January 14th, which is tomorrow, and just doing this, because it would not go well. You make 26 bucks, but the chances of SPY going to $467 is legit 20-cent difference, which can happen in a matter of minutes or even seconds even. Yeah, I don't recommend that. Try and finding some good strike prices that are quite away. So you look at price movement for SPY, for example, the week. You can see that SPY moves around. This is a big dip right here, $8, $11. But usually $4 to $5 is what I go for, and I make 1/4 of the value of my collateral, which is not bad for 2 days, a waiting period 2 days. But yeah, that's pretty much the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, make sure it says you click a sell, click on it, and a buy above it, If it does not sell call credit spread, you're doing something wrong. Please make sure you're doing it right, because if you execute it wrong, for example, let's say you put a sell and then you buy under it. That's a call debit spread. That's something completely different, which I'll be explaining in a different video, and you do not get credit. You're paying $36 for this call credit spread. And I'll explain in a later video what it means and what happens when you do it. So yeah, that was pretty much the video. Hope you guys enjoy, and peace.